Okay, first we have to get everything on one side of the equal sign and then try to factor it. So, to begin with, let's distribute the 2 through the parentheses here to get the stuff out of here out of the parentheses. We end up with 6x squared minus 4 equals 5x. And if we take away 5x from both sides, we get 6x squared minus 5x minus 4 equals 0. So now we can try to factor this. Now, we're looking for two numbers whose product is 24, because 6 times 4 is 24. So the product is 24. And because this is a minus, the difference is equal to 5. So the numbers are 8 and 3, because 8 times 3 is 24, and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So what we do is we rewrite the middle term using those numbers. Using 8 and 3. So our quadratic equation becomes 6x squared. Now we want to get a negative 5x using 8 and 3. So let's go plus 3x minus 8x, because that adds up to negative 5x, and minus 4. And this equals 0. So anyway, this now will be factorable by grouping. We can factor by grouping. And factoring out 3x from the first two terms, 3x times 2x is 6x squared, and 3x times 1 is 3x. Then 2x minus 1 must also, plus 1 must also be a factor of the next two terms. So what was factored out must have been a negative 4. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So this is equal to 0. And now we can factor out this common factor of 2x plus 1. So we have 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1 equals 0. So now we're almost done. Each of these factors will give us one of the zeros. So for this first one, if 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, then 3x is equal to 4, adding 4 to both sides. Then x is equal to 4/3, dividing each side by 3. So that's one of our solutions. The other solution is when 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Subtract 1 from both sides, and you get 2x equals negative 1. Divide by 2 on both sides, and you get x equals negative 1/2. So the solution set is the set containing these two numbers, negative 1/2 and 4/3. So this is the solution set to our equation.